गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पोस्ट ऑफिस, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मुझे डिपॉजिट और रेंट पे करना है। और अभी यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हो चुका है 0 डिग्री और लास्ट नाइट -2 डिग्री भी हो चुका था। और मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं ऐसा जैकेट जो मुझे इस सर्दी से बचा सके। तो आज हम जाएंगे शॉपिंग और आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाई too many things because I don't really have clothes. So let's see what else I end up buying. Okay, so see those 3 cars behind me, those vintage cars. Actually, they are here for a very good noble cause. They are showing us the car, they are exhibiting, and they are collecting money from us, from the people. And from that money, they are going to help an NGO to buy an ambulance for small children, especially for small children. So that's a really good cause, and I'm also going to help them. And I'll even show you the cars. So let's go. Okay, so currently I'm inside that car, and oh my god, what car is this? The other one was amazing, but they did not allow me to sit inside, but here they have, and let me show you the car. Okay, so I once again requested them, and they finally allowed me to sit inside the car. So let me show it to you from the inside. I don't know why, लेकिन आज हर जगह कार ही कार्स दिख रही है. See, another one. And not only this one, there is a lineup behind it. See this, then there is one at the back also, and even behind that. But these cars, all of these are for just showing up. They are for sale, they are just marketing, so not that much interested in them. But the vintage one, they were really nice. Audi, another Audi, another Audi, one more Range Rover, Mini, BMW, Kia, not only one, two, Volkswagen, another Volkswagen, and at last Hyundai, another Hyundai. Okay, so now I'm done watching all the cars and going to shop. Done with the first purchase, but couldn't find what I was looking for, so going to the next. Bye bye cars. So now I'm at the second mall to find, because there I couldn't find anything, that's why. शॉपिंग अब फाइनली ख़त्म हो चुकी है और जितना सोचा था उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ले लिया है। मैं जिस आपको दिखाता हूँ कितना आज शॉप किया। हाँ, सोचने से कुछ ज़्यादा ही शॉपिंग हो गई। तो अभी प्लान है कहीं पे डिनर के लिए, क्योंकि सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है, वैसे भी बहुत भूख लगी है। तो देखते हैं क्या मिलता है आज। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बर्गर का सोच रहा हूँ, देखते हैं। मेरे साथ मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी है, तो जैसा सब बोलते हैं। Okay, so now I'm at third mall to eat something. Today I visited 3 malls back to back.